Okay, so we've covered our 2-5-1 in the key of G major, and we've looked at a few variations on the dominant chord, the flat 9, raised 9, etc., flat 5, raised 5. And we've added some of the different voicings using the caged method. Now we're going to extend that to another very, very cliched chord progression as a building block, or building blocks for songs. This is a 1-6-2-5-1. So you can still see that it still comprises the 2-5-1, but it's preceded by the 1 and the 6 chord. And this will add to a harmony. A lot of these 1-6-2-5s are used as intros or outros of songs. They're used in many, many different styles. And it's a great practice to add colours to your chords and then start introducing single note lines between them, or intervals that we've looked at in previous lessons. So we will get started. I'll not explain every chord now. I'll try to, if there's something I think needs addressed, I will, but I'll try to just play them slowly for you. And the whole idea of this exercise is to give you some options and to basically make you think and come up with your own ideas on them. So here we have our 1 chord, our 6 chord, our 2, and our 5. Let me just play that for a moment. There's a particularly nice E minor chord. Let's have a look at that one. Open E, 2nd fret, 4th fret, open G, it's the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and open. So that's our 6 chord. How we find our 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E. G, A, B, C, D, E. And the type of chord is a minor. So we're going to start with the minor and we'll look at how we can substitute later, but let's look at some voicings we can find now for E minor, just in the open position. Let me just show you this one. Beautiful one there. Open. We've got our 1st finger barring now on the 2nd fret, straight across. Our 4th finger is playing the 5th fret on the 4th string, and 2nd finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd. That's a beautiful. Very similar to this one. And remember that when we're playing a voicing, we can remove a finger once a note's been played. Maybe catch another. Another note on the top. So experiment again so that the chord flows more than being a static. So let's try that one. 1, 2, 5. And again, I would probably get something that was more connection to it, as opposed to random shapes. So our E minor, we've got basic E minor. We can add colours. And we play our 1-6-2-5-1. A minor with the B note added here. A minor 9. Just stretch up with your 4th finger, catch the B note, 4th fret, 3rd string. You could also bring this round and add the G note there. That leads us to another point just at the moment, that as we're putting these chords together, you may discover that you'll play a pedal note. That term pedal just means that maybe through each of the changes you keep a common tone. Let's try that with the... Yeah. That's a better one. Yeah, let's try that. That's quite nice. So that's another option for you, to look for pedals and see if you can get a voicing for the next chord that contains the same note. Let's try 1, 6, 2, 5. Now, if you noticed on the A minor chord, I added colours to arrive at the pedal that I chose. The 5 chord, same thing. So although we've got our either A minor chord and our target was to arrive here, we had options on how we done it.